Oh my gosh, if this catches you moaning, I'm putting it up.
No, you're not. I won't fucking sleep.
You're gonna sleep.
No, I'm not.
Yes, I hit you in the temple with my fucking gun. You'll sleep.
No.
I love it.
Dick. What if I do? That's gonna be funny.
What?
What if I do, man? You fucking bitch. Bam, motherfucker! Bam, bam, motherfucker! Bam, bam! Shh. Quiet time, you fuck. Hell no!
Fucking roll!
Ow!
Fucking roll!
That fucking hurt!
I think that's why we're not allowed to have them.
Give me something to shoot at. Where I won't lose my darts. I was gonna say this.
But I know you were gonna say something like that.
Fuck.
It's behind my bows, we're okay.
Oh, it was right above it, you motherfucker! Fuck. Freeze!
Shut the fuck up. Would you rather have sex with Barbara Walters or Martina
Who the fuck is that?
Navratilova?
Who the fuck?
I'd rather have sex with Barbara Walters because she could sing to me.
Oh shit!
Would you rather have sex with
Why are you
John
asking me the sex question?
Sunanu or Mr. T?
Mr. T.
I wear a lot of gold. My name's Mr. T. Would you have sex with Jesse Helms to have sex with Brad Pitt?
Who's that?
I don't know. But obviously he's pretty bad if you have to have sex with him to get to Brad Pitt. Would you rather experience orgasm upon hearing the word pancake or reflexively belt out a chorus of "Come on, Aline" upon reaching climax?
That one.
I'd rather orgasm when I hear the word pancake.
Why?
Because people talk about pancakes a lot.